Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing great today. Today, we will learn 30 more daily sentences. These will help improve your skills and build your confidence. Sentence number 1. What is your name? Repeat after me. What is your name? Sentence number 2. My name is John. Repeat after me. My name is John. Sentence number 3. How are you? Repeat after me. How are you? Sentence number 4. I am fine, thank you. Repeat after me. I am fine, thank you. Sentence number 5. Where are you from? Repeat after me. Where are you from? Sentence number 6. I am from India. Repeat after me. I am from India. Sentence number 7. What do you do? Repeat after me. What do you do? Sentence number 8. I am a student. Repeat after me. I am a student. Sentence number 9. Do you speak English? Repeat after me. Do you speak English? English? Sentence number 10. Repeat after me. Yes, I do. Sentence number 11. Can you help me? Repeat after me. Can you help me? Sentence number 12. Yes, of course. Repeat after me. Yes, of course. Sentence number 13. What time is it? Repeat after me. What time is it? Sentence number 14. It is 9 o'clock. Repeat after me. It is 9 o'clock. Sentence number 15. Where do you live? Repeat after me. Where do you live? Sentence number 16. I live in Srinagar. Repeat after me. I live in Srinagar. Sentence number 17. What is your favorite food? Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Sentence number 18. My favorite food is rice. Repeat after me. Sentence number 19. What is your favorite color? Repeat after me. Sentence number 20. My favorite color is blue. Repeat after me. Sentence number 2 is your favorite drink. Repeat after me. What is your favorite drink? Sentence number 22. Repeat after me. My favorite. Sentence number 23. What is your favorite subject? Repeat after me. Sentence number 24. My favorite subject is English. Sentence number 25. Do you like reading books? Repeat after me. Sentence number, I like reading books. Repeat after me. Yes, I like number 27. What are you doing now? Repeat after me. What are you doing now? Sentence number 28. Repeat after me. Sentence number 29. See you tomorrow. Repeat after me. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. Have a nice day. Congratulations, you have successfully learned 30 more daily sentences today. See you tomorrow with day 4 and 30 more useful daily English sentences. Goodbye.